So I've cued the record back to the R sample, and we're now ready to learn the first technique, which is of course the baby scratch. It's the first foundational technique and is an open fader scratch, which means we don't need to operate the cross fader, we just need to have it open. And the technique is performed by pushing the record forward once and pulling the record back once to make that zigger zigger sound that everyone knows. Most techniques can be performed with the turntable platter on, but for now we're going to just focus on learning this technique with the platter off. So one baby scratch makes two sounds or two notes, which means that two baby scratches makes four notes and so on. But the key to mastering the baby scratch is to always be in complete control of your record, to express the sample to its fullest, and to be aware of the position of your record at all times using the visual marker that we applied earlier. Try to develop a habit of always beginning and ending your baby scratch at the same start position of the sample so that you get a clean, sharp sound. And whenever you're scratching, always be careful not to hit the needle or the tone arm with your hand. Here's a quick demo of baby scratches over a beat.